white paint, coffee in a paper cup, going cold slow, dust on the dash, map on the floor, got the windows down, letting no hurts go. Cruising Highway 80, sun sinking heavy on the hood. I don't know where I'm headed, but it's better than